Okay, hi guys. Welcome to Sea Suns at Home. Okay, this week we've got quite a good sort of mushroomy base. We've got some mixed sort of wild mushrooms, some mushroom and hodmedod bean balls, some nice lentils from hodmedods as well, some garlic parsley, a bit of pickled pear or red wine syrup, and some pickled pears. So the first thing we're going to do is get these guys in the oven. So the oven's on about 180. Just going to get our balls in. Okay, now let's heat up our frying pan. I'll put them in straight away. Doesn't need to be red hot when we put them in. Just get them cooking. So what we're going to do, we're just going to cook these down a bit, and then we'll toss the lentils in, some of the garlic parsley, and then it'll be pretty much time to plate. We'll just add a little bit of salt and pepper at this stage. Smells good. Okay, so bit of a toss, bit of colour all over them. I think I need a bigger pan, Reuben. Okay, great. So they're kind of getting there now. So I'm going to toss in my lentils. About half the garlic parsley. There's already a bit of the garlic parsley in the butter, so. And then some of the juice off my pears. Should be enough just to steam everything through and get it nice and hot. You can just stir it if you need to. Turn that guy off. Get our balls out. Use some tongs to get this out. You could just empty them into another container, but as I'm here, my tongs. And take our drizzle. It's like a red wine. It's basically the poaching liquor reduced down to a nice sticky syrup. Hopefully bring it all together very nicely. And then, as a final garnish, we'll just sprinkle that garlic parsley over the top.